what actually happens before we build a product. You can agree with me that with AI tool everywhere now, it's very easy to just think of an idea and boom, you're building a product. You don't even need a team now to build a product because with any of your favorite AI tool, it's very easy. But that's not how it works in real life. That's not how it works actually, because for a product to get built, it takes different processes like product discovery or validation, and even asking the most important questions like, is this product worth building? Stick around with me in this video and know behind the scenes of how all your favorite products get built. Welcome to Tech as It Is, where we talk about AI, data, products, and the systems behind our everyday technology in a very simple way. It's true that a product starts with an idea, but an idea alone sadly cannot make a product, because before a product gets built, it goes through different processes like validation, discovery, research, and a room full of hard questions. Now, there's something called the product life cycle, which we'll talk about in a video some other time. But today, I want to talk about one part of it, which is why and what gets built. Not the code, not the design, right? But the hard conversations that happen before any of this actually come to light. Most ideas don't make it through, not because they are not important, but because at that point, they are not solving the user's problem or even adding value to the business. An idea can even be small. It can be a support ticket that keeps repeating itself, or a drop-off in the user onboarding. Even patterns noticed in data. These are the unglamorous moments, but that's where every product actually begins. And now the product team swings into action. Maybe users are complaining of a feature, or maybe on the onboarding process, users keep dropping off before they get to a certain point. All these things put together, that is where the pattern is, not inspiration, but observation. Now, product really begins with brainstorming sessions. They begin with user feedback, customer complaints, support tickets, surveys, interviews, and analytic dashboards. Comes the important questions. What problem are we trying to solve? What is frustrating the user? What are they trying to achieve? Notice something. The discussion is not about features, it's about outcome. Because users don't just want features, they want outcomes. The features are just tools that help the users reach their desired goal with the product. Teams start investigating. They talk to users, analyze behavior, patterns. They are trying to get something deeper. What does the users need? Not what the users say they want. Because the truth is, users can tell you they want something else, but they mean a different thing. This is the interesting part. In a room full of product designers, product managers, engineers, stakeholders, we begin to analyze these patterns, everything that we've gotten from the users. And we are asking, what should we prioritize? What creates the most value for the user, as well as the business? The truth is, not every idea gets built. Not every problem gets solved right away. Some take time. Only now do solutions enter the conversation. Notice, we did not start with features, neither did we start with technology. We started with understanding, because the best products are not built around features. They are built around solving real problems that matter. Now, users get to see the final product, but underneath every product launch, a series of conversations, questions, research, decisions, or even trade-offs that has happened. And that is what product management is all about. It is not just about building features, it's about understanding the problems well enough to solve it. The next time you see a product you love, remember that is the final chapter, not the whole story. If you enjoyed this breakdown, like, share, and subscribe. Until my next video, stay curious.